So the next question you'll be asking is, how do you measure a universal so you can find a new one on the interweb or when you call the parts guy? Don't look like a dick because you don't know what you're doing, like me. It's quite easy. A couple of measurements. You need to know three things. First one is the diameter of the cup across here. Second one is the distance between the ends of the two cups. And the third one is where do you have the grease nipple mounted. Now, there is a fourth one, is what sort of cup do you have on the end, because these come in many different variations. So we'll go have a look on the computer and I'll show you what I mean. So the old Bedford has Hardy Spicer drive gear in it, and once I run some measurements on it, I pretty quickly figured out that our cup size was 39.7 and end to end on the cups or caps was 115.9, which led me straight to Hardy Spicer 1510 series of bits and bobs. So this is quite good because I now know I need one of these. Side lubrication, standard joint, and that is the replacement part for the old Bedford Bus, 1976 Bedford NFM or SB3 series. Each bus could be slightly different, but a good start is Hardy Spicer catalogue. And if we flick through here, it's got all sorts of interesting stuff that I've cut and pasted, right down to slip yokes, which all fit the bus, flange yokes. What else have we got? More slip yokes. So everything I need to rebuild this bus over the years is available in the Hardy Spicer catalogue. So go and have a look in there. You'll be amazed what's in there, even right down to the grease nipples that are used in it. So as you've seen previously, looking through the Hardy Spicer catalogue for universals for the old Bedford Bus, the part number brings up many different makers for the same part. So this is what we're going to put in our bus drive shafts. We have 4 universals in total. There are 4 here. There's 1 in the box. These boxes are empty. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The Hardy Spicer is a genuine part. The retail price for that was $260. I got it for $120. The Hardy Spicer has a dust shield over the back of the little rubber seal, so there's actually a dust shield pressed onto here which goes across the rubber dust cap. So very good part. The next part in price was the turret. That cost me $71. They appear to be fairly good. I don't know where they're made. It doesn't actually say on the box. So that's the turret equivalent part, the same part number. They all have the same part numbers. And then the final one, which cost me $54, is a GMB part universal joint. Anyway, these are the universals which are going to go on, and we're going to replace all of them. I was just going to do 1 or 2, but once I got into the driveline, I realised things weren't all they cracked up to be. It was just easy to go and replace a lot.